All right, today I'm not reviewing something that, leather bag or backpack or anything like that. That's what I always review because those are the stuff that age well, I understand. But today I'm reviewing one of my unusual item, stuff that I never review. This is my camping utensil kitchen pouch, whatever you want to call it. Maybe call it camp kitchen pouch. Okay. I go camping a lot. I go car camping with my family and with my friends. And when it comes to cooking, it's a lot of fun. So I love to pack a lot of utensils and kitchen equipment in one bag. I don't want it laying all around. I want it to be centralized in one place. So I just grab one bag and I can, take care of all the cooking and business. Okay. So this is my camp bag, camp kitchen bag. So you may say, why using like a MOLLE military style bag? Okay. It's very simple. It's very durable. It's gonna age really well. I have this over 9 years. Easy to clean, and it's well built. And it actually can attach to my backpack. I can show you later. And another reason is it's very price reasonable. So I look at many different kitchen utensil pouch and all that stuff. They are not cheap, and also they're not as well built as this one. So after I get the measurement, I know what size roughly I want, and I purchased this one. I've been using it since 2012, so about 9 years now. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, so this one is very well built. I think about 10 by 6, and then about 2.5 inches deep. So let's see how many stuff I can pack in here. All right, so you can see this is my stuff for cooking, my camping kitchen gear. I do have like a cutting board, a portable, I would say the stainless steel grill top, good for like setting up like charcoal and wood fire, and then just put this thing on top, and you can you don't have to bring a big grill, just a little bit of grill top is enough. Comes with a very nice pouch. So if you don't want to get dirty of other stuff, just put it in the pouch, go home and clean it. Okay? From Expedition Research. Oh, actually it's titanium. Nice. Salt and pepper. You gotta have salt and pepper. And then different size of tongs. I purchased this one because it fit completely well here. Alright, what else I got here? Family of 4, so 4 separate spoon and titanium spoon, 4 of them. Big spoon, cooking soup and stuff, perfect. Retractable tongue, another one. This one is for non-stick top, because the other one will scratch. This one is good for non-stick pan. Definitely have Caesar. I always have Caesar. Lots of use. Different chopstick, titanium, and wood chopstick. I've been having this light my fire titanium, 2-in-1 spoon and 4 in sport. I don't know what you call it. Really good, really lightweight. So love this one. Also, other titanium utensil. Sometimes you don't want 2-in-1, you just want separate one, or your kids need that. Perfect one. Measure cup. Always need measuring cup. I got this can opener from when I purchased my gun. So LaRue Tactical can opener. And a knife. Definitely need a knife for my cutting. And then 2 separate hooks. You may wonder why I need that hook. I can tell you. It's very convenient because you can hook up your bag to, right here. And then you can pretty much hang this over your other camping gear. So like this. Okay? I tried many times, it's worked really well. Alright. So this bag is by $5.11. When I've purchased it, it's like $30 something. Now it's 29 something, so it's about the same price. Really well built. I love this bag. And every time I go camping, I just have to grab this, and I know most of my kitchen needs is in one place. I mean, you know, put some more spices, oil, etc. in a container and put it here. But otherwise, I know pretty much all I need for camping will fit in one bag. So that's a good thing. Peace of mind knowing that you're not going to miss out anything. So when I put this stuff back to the bag, always big item go in first, and then smaller item. So you're never going to be worried about running out of space here. Okay. That's a lot of room, even though it feels like very slim kind of pouch, but it's really, really roomy. Perfect size for this. This, that, and this. And then, oh, never forget the hooks. Put the hooks back there. And that is my camping, never forget the can opener. This is my cooking kit. It's very, very space saving, and it works well with my backpack. Let me grab one. Alright, so let's say you have a smaller backpack. Okay, like this one. And there's 4 MOLLE adapter here. You can just hook it up. It works, right? And usually people go camping with a big backpack, so I can also use this one, which has also 4 MOLLE connectors here. So this bag goes right on top. Awesome. So it fits really well. Okay? So it's always good to have something like this when you go camping. There are many other, you know, kitchen pouch and utensil organizer, but those are laying flat and they open like this. So it takes up a lot of table space. You all know if you go camping how much table space, how precious they are. So I don't feel like wasting space, so I always setting this one up, maybe have a burner right in front of here so it block the wind, and if I need my stuff, I just open it, tail this one a little bit here, and you have access to oil gear pretty much in front of you. It will stand by itself. So that's why I buy this one. I know it's gonna, you know, stand the test of time. It can get dirty, you can rinse it off, you can wash it, and it's gonna last really long. So this is another things that age well for me. It's not everything about leather or a particular brand. Sometimes it's just the utility stuff that really interests me. You know, really good quality material, Fedora material, MOLLE connector. I'm not into all this military style stuff, but it just happened to be very functional. So when it go to camping, it's all about being functional, all about getting it done in the most easy manner, and not have to worry about getting dirty because you can just, you know, wash it easily. And there's another feature at the bottom of this. There's 2 drain holes, so let's say you get wet, the stuff inside get wet, water will come out, so it's not gonna have mildew and all the moist in it. So that's it. This is my camping kitchen pouch. Highly recommend. And other things that age well, it's been 9 years. I'm sure it will last another 20 if I don't abuse it. Alright, hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up or comment. I'm looking forward to see what you think about this one. Thank you guys.